How to fix PC crashing when playing games. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few reasons that this could be happening. So what I'm going to do is go inside of my NVIDIA app, and you should too. If you have a driver update, maybe you haven't installed a new driver for a while, go ahead and do that because it's going to fix any graphical bugs and issues that you might be having. Also, go over to graphics or go over to system. And once you're in system, go over and press, what's it called? Go to performance. Now, if you have automatic tuning enabled, this is what fixed it for me. Go ahead and turn this off because certain games don't actually like when your PC is overclocked. So if you have any overclocking, maybe even some in your BIOS, go ahead and do that. Now, what you could also do is go over to Steam or Epic Games. Then I'm going to go over to it right now. Then go over to library. Once you're here, find whichever game you want to do this with. Then go to properties after you right click it. Then go to installed files and then verify the integrity of the game files, which is going to replace any corrupted game data or files, and you'll be good to go.